So right off the bat, I'd just like to clarify that this isn't one of my usual uploads. I'm making this video primarily to gauge how effective this new setup I have is going to be for my future videos. So right now I'm filming on my Canon EOS M100 and I'm recording audio with my Zoom H1N. To increase the quality of my presentation, I also grabbed a cheap table from IKEA. This is the Linman tabletop with 4 Adidas legs, and I think this is a really good choice, especially if you're looking at getting a cheap desk. And the reason I got this setup, the reason I made this setup is to increase the efficiency with which I make videos. So before I made this setup, I spent a lot of time filming, a lot of time setting up how I was going to film a particular video. Sometimes I'd spend up to 4 hours just trying to get the best angle. And you may be thinking, Ramal, you only have 88 subscribers, why do you care so much? For me, it just doesn't settle in very well if I don't try my hardest, especially when making these videos, because even though I may not be that good at it, this is a true passion of mine and I really want to see this channel grow and see a community fostered by a lot of people who are into technology as much as I am. So because of the increased efficiency, I'm now able to upload more than once a month, so expect to see at least weekly uploads here on out. Speaking of my videos and my uploads, you've probably noticed that a lot of my videos are centered around the iPad. Well, a lot of my videos so far, that is. But right now I've got the iPad OS beta running on my iPad Pro and expect to see a lot of coverage on this beta on my channel. But don't worry, I'm not going to fill your sub box with iPad videos. I've also got a lot more videos planned up. Here is a thumbnail for a video that I've got in the works right now, and this is probably going to be one of my best reviews yet, so make sure you stick around for that. Along with reviews and other impressions style videos, I'm also thinking of branching out into more discussion based videos as well. Basically, what this will involve is me taking a few articles, a few tech news articles, and giving you my thoughts, my opinions on what's being reported. If you'd like a more in-depth look at this filming setup or the setup behind me that I use to do all my work, make sure to leave a comment down below for that as well, because I'm more than happy to provide you with the details of my everyday workflow. So that is it for this video, guys. There wasn't much tech in this video, but make sure to tell me what you think about this new filming setup and whether you think it is a big improvement from my previous filming setup. If you like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up and make sure to also subscribe so you don't miss out on weekly uploads on this channel. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.